Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the user management in the Jenkins, and also we will discuss about the role-based authorization strategy in the Jenkins. So if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe the channel, and if you are new in the DevOps journey, if you are started today, please go and watch my previous videos which are I have started in the previous playlist. Okay, let's begin with the user management in the Jenkins. Whenever one user or whenever one employee is join in your organization or join in your team, so you have to create the user Jenkins user for that team member, and you have to assign some credential, and you have to assign some permission to that user, and you have to pass that credential to the that user. So let's think one developer is joining in your team, and you have to give the access to that developer to only develop the project, means only build the project. He cannot create the project, he cannot delete the project. In this way we will handle the permission based on the role. So let's see how we can create the user, how we can create the roles, how we can assign that role to that user. So in the practical way, let's log in into our Jenkins. Just I had created the Jenkins and logged in into that Jenkins. I have the one admin user, and I had created the two dummy jobs. Here one will be print the hi and one will be print the hello. So let's create the one user. Click on the manage Jenkins. Click on the user. Click on the create user. Here you can give the username, give any password, confirm that password, full name you can give any name, and give the name, email of that user, and click on the create user. Now see, that user has created in the your Jenkins, right? So go to the dashboard and log out from the your user. Just I had logged out from the admin user and log in using the your just created user. Now he dev user can see everything, and he can also do anything because he is the also administrator user. So this is not the best practice, right? If you are giving someone as an admin user, he can create the projects, he can delete the projects, he can do anything in the Jenkins, right? So let's see, he can create the job or not. Dummy job. Just I will print the message here, echo, this is demo, save it, and he can do anything. He can change the configuration, he can delete the project, he can rename, he can build. So let's see, we can build. It's success, right? So in this way he can do anything, but we will see how we can restrict this user using the role based strategy. Okay, just log out, log in with the admin user. Now you can see we had created the 3 jobs. Now go to the manage Jenkins. Are you able to see any role based strategy here? No. Means we are not having anything for the roles. But how we are managing our users and permissions, right? So just click on the security. Here you can see security realm is the Jenkins own user database. We are using the Jenkins own user database. If we wanted to change it, so we can change it here. Here we can use the LDAP user. If our user is created in the LDAP, he can log in and he can do anything, whatever we are given the permission based on that. And also we can use the Unix user and group database. We can select here anything. First of all, and also authorization logged in user can do anything, means if once we created the user, he will get full permission. So here we can give the permission based on the metrics based security, projects based security. But in the organization, most of the people use the role based strategy. Because of that, we will see how we can manage the role based strategy in the Jenkins. Okay, just go to the dashboard. For get the role based strategy in the Jenkins, we have to install the plugin. Click on the manage Jenkins, go to the plugin section. Available plugins. Here you can search for the role based authorization strategy and click on that and install it. Now you can see it is installing the role based strategy plugin in our Jenkins. It has successfully installed. Restart your Jenkins. So it is restarting our Jenkins server. Meanwhile, we will see what we seen. So just we had created the user, and that user has become the administrator user in the Jenkins. Whenever we create the default user, he has become the administrator and he is able to do anything in the Jenkins, right? So login in the Jenkins. Go to the dashboard. Now go to the manage Jenkins. Now you can see anything are we able to see for the preparing schedule. Where is the role base, users, credentials? Click on the security. Here you can see we have to change the authorization strategy as a role based strategy. Then save and apply. Now refresh your Jenkins. Here you can see we are able to see manage and assign the roles. So click on that. Here we have the only admin role, right? So admin has the administrator permission in the Jenkins. Now we will add the one role as the developer role. Okay, add it. Add items for the developer. Okay, save. Just we had created the role, and we will give the only read permission to the role. Okay, save and apply. Just come out to the manage and assign roles, then go to the assign role. Here you can add the user, your user. Just we had created the dev user, right? That user you can add it here and assign the role for him. I am assigning the developer role. Means he can only able to read the jobs or anything, but he cannot do anything. So just log out, go to the dashboard, just log out to the admin user and log in to the dev user. Now you can see just he is able to see only. Even he is not able to see the our jobs. Just I am given the read permission. He is not able to see anything. Just he is able to see the only history, my views, that's it. So just log out, log in as the admin user, and give the permission to read the jobs. Manage and assign role, assign the role, no, manage the role. Inside the role you can give the permission for the job, that is the read the job, then he can read the job. Okay, and save it and come back, log out to the admin user and log in as the dev user. Now you can see he is able to see the our jobs, but whenever click on the our job, he cannot able to build or he cannot able to change the configuration of our any job, right? Now you can see here. In this way you can manage the permission to that user, but he is only able to see. I wanted to give the build the job, but he cannot delete the job, right? Just log in into the admin user, admin, now go to the manage Jenkins, go to the manage and assign the role. Now you can give the build job, but he cannot create the job and he cannot delete the job, right? Save it. Now you can log out to the our user and log in as the dev user. Now you can see, click on the any user and here you can see build now is the enabled. So just he can build the our job, but he cannot delete and he cannot change the configuration of our job. Okay, now so now in this way you can manage the Jenkins. So you can create the user, you can give the role-based authorization to the user, and you can manage any kind of the user in the Jenkins. That's it from my end. I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you are the new on my channel, please do the subscribe the channel. Thank you.